In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay yourself Payroll Quickbooks. By the end, you'll know how to set yourself up in QuickBooks, run your own paycheck confidently, and handle the related taxes without second-guessing what's happening behind the scenes. First, you'll add yourself as an employee so QuickBooks can treat your pay correctly. From the main dashboard, go to Payroll, then Employees, and choose Add an Employee. Enter your personal details carefully using the same legal information you'd use on tax forms. When you're asked how you're paid, select Salary. This is commonly recommended for owners because it keeps your pay consistent and makes your payroll run simpler. You can set a pay schedule that matches how often you want to pay yourself, like monthly or bi-weekly, and choose whether you'll be paid by direct deposit or paper check. Next, complete the tax setup. QuickBooks will prompt you for the information it needs to calculate withholdings and file correctly for federal and state payroll taxes. Taking a minute to confirm that everything is accurate here will save time later. Once you're set up, it's time to run payroll for yourself. Click Run Payroll, pick your pay period and pay date, and confirm your salary amount. Before you submit, review the taxes withheld, including Social Security, Medicare, and any federal or state income taxes. If a number looks unexpected, double-check your tax setup and pay schedule before you proceed. When everything looks right, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks will automatically create the accounting entries you need, including wage expense, payroll tax expense, and payroll liabilities, so your books reflect both your pay and the taxes owed without extra manual work. After your paycheck runs, make sure the taxes get paid on time. Head to Taxes, then Payroll Tax to see what's due and when. Review the amounts, confirm the payment date and bank account, and click Pay. If you have AutoPay enabled and your e-file and e-pay enrollments are complete, QuickBooks will file and pay for you automatically. Just keep sufficient funds in your account for the draft date and watch for confirmations so you know everything went through. That's the full flow. Add yourself as an employee, run your salary payroll, and pay or automate the payroll taxes. If you're unsure whether you should be on payroll based on your business entity or local rules, it's a good idea to check with a qualified professional. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to confidently pay yourself in QuickBooks.